In this video, I'm going to show you how to enter a trade on MetaTrader 4. Now, the first thing you want to do is find the asset. So you want to go to Market Watch over here on the left. Now, if you can't find it, click on this button to enable it. But if you can't find the symbol you're looking for, press View and then Symbols, or press Ctrl and U on your keyboard and then find the symbol you want in here. You can then just go and click on it and click on Show, and it should show over here. Then you want to right click it and then click on a new order, or you could also open the chart window to actually see it on the chart and click on the new order up top. You could also press F9 on your keyboard to open up the order window. Now here you want to make sure the symbol is correct, so the one you want to trade, and then from here select your volume, set it manually, or click on any of these options over here. You can also add a stop loss and take profit. These two are optional, it's up to you. And then you can also add a comment if you wanna. This is optional as well. Then select your order type, so we have instant execution or pending order. And to enter a trade, you then want to click on either sell or buy, and of course you will enter that specific trade. As you can see over here, if I go to the trade tab, this trade has been opened. Okay, so that's how to enter trades. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.